Welcome to SimInsight's Virtual Chemistry Lab. Today in this simulation you will learn about the process of cleaning muddy water. There are multiple phases in cleaning muddy water. The muddy water contains suspended solids, chemicals and germs. Such impurities of muddy water are separated by filtration. Grab the piece of muslin cloth and place it on the highlighted beaker. Now, grab the beaker with muddy water and pour it in the beaker with muslin cloth on it. Dispose the used cloth in the watch glass. The process of settling of the heavier component in a mixture under the influence of gravity when left undisturbed is called sedimentation. It is one of the simplest method of separation. Grab the highlighted end of the thread tied to a lum. Now, dip the thread into the beaker, hold it, and swirl the alum in the beaker 2 to 3 times. Leave the water undisturbed for some time. This helps in settling down the fine mud particles suspended in water which could not be removed by filtration. The time varies from few hours to day or two depending upon level of contamination or impurity. Observe the change in transparency of water. Decantation is the process of pouring out or removal of upper layer of liquid into another container. By using this technique, it is possible to separate two immiscible liquids or the top liquid layers without disturbing the sediment or lower liquid layers. Decant the water using the clean piece of muslin cloth. Grab the muslin cloth and place it on the highlighted beaker. Now, grab the beaker with muddy water and pour it in the beaker with muslin cloth on it. Dispose the used cloth in the watch glass. Even though the water may look clean at this stage, it still have germs in them. On boiling, excessive heat kills the germs. Grab the beaker and place it on the table. Let the water cool before filtering it once more. Grab a piece of muslin cloth and place it on the highlighted beaker. Now, grab the beaker with boiled water and pour into the beaker with muslin cloth on it. Dispose the used cloth in the watch glass. You have successfully filtered muddy water. Grab the beaker and observe the clear and clean water.